So we are going to harvest our broccoli, and we are so thankful. Yes, it is. We're thankful that we are blessed. Okay, I think it's gonna snap. Go ahead and there is still things growing in the garden, and I'm still picking off my side shoots for my broccoli, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick that. So I'm gonna make a nice little broccoli carrot stir fry, and I just wanted to share. If you like to see how I prepare my side shoots, keep watching. Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden, cook healthy meals, and other favorites. And I just wanted to tell you, if you choose the right varieties, you can harvest small side shoots like I'm doing now all winter long. Yes, in these very cold climates. Like many vegetables, broccoli is full of antioxidants and a source of calcium and vitamin K, which helps our bones. Some studies have even said that it fights cancer and boosts the immune system, and we definitely need that extra boost during this pandemic. Go ahead and keep watching, and I will show you how I am making good use of the side shoots. I'm making beef stir fry. My husband had a taste for it. I have side shoots and extra carrots in the garden, and this is what I came up with. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. Stay loving, be kind, and of course, stay healthy. I will see you in my next video.